Hey guys, this is where we started this job. This wall had collapsed against this storage building. They'd brought a heavy piece of equipment in and it pushed the wall in. It was really wet at the time. We did not build this wall, but we were hired to rebuild this wall correctly. We were getting ready to tear out the old wall so we could start replacing with a new wall. We had to be very careful digging around this wall because we did not want to knock this building off of its foundation. We had to be very careful at this point. We were cutting the wall into sections with our chainsaw so we could lift it out with the track hoe. We wrapped a chain around each section of the wall and lifted it out with the track hoe. We were only hired to rebuild that section of the wall. There's another section of the wall that goes down the back side of the building as well. It was still intact. Here we were digging back into the bank to install the dead men, which are the supports to hold the wall up. We put several dead men in this wall to strengthen it. We started constructing this wall back. We laid our first level out and we got it all level and plumb straight, and then we drill holes in it and drive rebar into the ground. It keeps the bottom from shifting out, and then we start building our layers up. We connect each layer of the wall with 8-inch Timberlock screws. When you're constructing these walls, you don't want all your timbers to break in one place. So you stagger the timbers so all of your joints will be in different places along the wall. It makes it so much stronger. you install these dead men, you screw it to the wall with at least 2 screws. And then on the end with the bank, you drill a 1/2 inch hole in it and drive a long piece of 1/2 inch rebar through it. The next timber you install on top of the dead man, you also run a screw through that timber into the dead man. At this point, we're starting to install the drainage system behind the wall. You have to put these behind every wall or the water will collapse the walls. We're starting to backfill the wall as we build it up. It makes the wall much more stable. You add gravel on top of the drainage pipe and then you put dirt behind it and you layer that all the way up to the top. Most walls we build the wall straight up, but this wall we were connecting to the old part of the wall and it had a 3/4 inch setback on each timber. As you notice, we're packing the dirt in real tight behind the wall. Each scoop of dirt that's put in, we smooth it out and pack it in real good.
Okay guys, it's getting dark, but I wanted to show you the finished product. We had to rebuild this wall. Piece of equipment got too close to it and collapsed it up against this building. We had to tear it out and redo it. Thanks for watching, guys.